Sena Medal, Commandant, Indian Military Academy, members of staff and officer cadets, I, Lieutenant Colonel Geeta Mishra, along with Officer Cadet Harsh Soteri and Officer Cadet Bhunesh Dagar, welcome you all to the 151st Passing Out Parade of the 154 regular and 137 technical graduate courses.
देवी और सज्जनों सुप्रभात। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल संदीप जैन, सेना मिडल, समादेशक, भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी के सदस्यों और प्रशिक्षुओं की ओर से 154 नियमित व 137 तकनीकी कोर्सों के दीक्षांत परेड के अवसर पर मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं।
The Indian Military Academy is more than 90 years old. This parade ground, popularly called the Drill Square, is a sprawling expanse of tarmac measuring 240 meters by 60 meters. Across the Drill Square is the historic Chetwood building, which was constructed in the year 1930. It houses the famous Chetwood Hall and the Indian Military Academy Museum.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपसे निवेदन है कि कृपया परेड के दौरान आप चित्र आदि लेने के लिए मैदान में न उतरे तथा परेड के दौरान अपने मोबाइल फोन बंद रखें।
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now briefly acquaint you with the history of the Indian Military Academy. After the First World War, having proven his worth, the Indian soldier earned the right to officer his own army. As a process of Indianization of the Indian Army, the Indian Military Academy came into existence on 1st October 1932 with a batch of 40 officer cadets comprising the first course, the Pioneers.
This trailblazer course included Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw and the two army chiefs, General Muhammad Musa of Pakistan and General Smith Dunn of Myanmar. The academy was formally inaugurated by Field Marshal Lord Philip Chetwood, the then Commander-in-Chief in India, on 10th December 1932, with Brigadier L.P. Collins as the first Commandant of the Indian Military Academy.
आज का ये दिन सचमुच गौरव और खुशी का दिन है। केवल ऑफिसर कैडेट्स के लिए ही नहीं, अपितु उनके माता पिता और अकादमी के प्रशिक्षकों के लिए भी ये एक गर्व का विषय है। इस अवसर पर पूरा होता है एक संकल्प और शुरू होता है अगला उतना ही महान संकल्प, उतना ही दुर्गम लक्ष्य। समय ने करवट ली है और परिस्थितियां भी बदली है, पर आज भी एक व्यक्ति का अपनी सेना पर विश्वास पहले की तरह ही अटूट है। वो जानता है कि राष्ट्र के प्रहरी उस पर आंच न आने देंगे। भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का परम उद्देश्य है दिलेर और वीर अफसर तैयार करना, जो दुश्मन की गोलियों के बीच अपने जवानों का नेतृत्व कर सकें, उनके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल सकें और आवश्यकता पड़ने पर अपने प्राण भी न्यौछावर कर सकें।
It is indeed a proud moment today for the directing staff of the Indian Military Academy to see these young men take their first step towards the service of the nation. And now, a word about the companies of the Indian Military Academy, the flags of which you can see onto your right. That is the east end of the drill square. Kohima Company, named after the Battle of Kohima, which stopped the tide of the Japanese offensive in India during the Second World War. The epitaph carved on the memorial of the 2nd British Division in the cemetery says it all. When you go back home, tell them of us and say, for their tomorrow we gave our today.
Naushera Company, named after the Battle of Naushera, a remote township in Jammu and Kashmir, which witnessed gallantry of the highest order by Indian soldiers during the Indo-Pak War of 1947-48.
Punch Company, named after the Battle of Punch, fought during the Indo-Pak War of 1947-48, when the town of Punch was saved by a small contingent of erstwhile 1st Kumaon, now 3 Para Special Forces.
Alamein Company, named after the historic Battle of El Alamein in North Africa, which turned the tide in favor of the Allies in the Second World War. The role played by Indian soldiers as part of 5th Indian Division was incomparable and befitting the traditions and heritage of the Indian Army.
Mektela Company, named after the fierce battle fought for the capture of the town of Mektela in the Burma campaign in the Second World War.
Sangro Company, named after the Battle of River Sangro in Italy, fought during the Second World War, in which, as always, the Indian soldiers proved their worth.
Imphal Company, named after the famous battle fought around Imphal during the Japanese offensive of 1944. The battle is a fitting tribute to the fighting spirit and the unshakable resolve of Indian soldiers.
Singhad Company, named after the famous fort captured by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, along with his brave general Tanaji Malusare and the dauntless Marathas.
Jessore Company, named after the Battle of Jessore in erstwhile East Pakistan that crippled the enemy's will to fight and paved the way for the formation of Bangladesh with the surrender of nearly 93,000 Pakistani troops in 1971.
Keren Company, named after the Battle of Keren, where a small town in North Ethiopia saw a daring act in which just 19 British and Indian battalions stormed the impregnable mountain fortress of Keren, defended by 42 battalions of Italian and colonial troops.
Cassino Company, named after the Battle of Cassino in Italy, which witnessed one of the bloodiest battles of the Second World War, in which 400 brave, daring, and dauntless Indian soldiers went down fighting in a matter of just 6 weeks.
Zojila Company, named after the Battle of Zojila in Jammu and Kashmir, fought during the Indo-Pak War of 1947-48. It still remains the highest tank battlefield in the world. How can a man die better than facing fearful odds for the ashes of his father and the temples of his gods? Ladies and gentlemen, the Academy has an enviable history and its alumni have excelled in all spheres of military activity. They wished stories of heroic valor in battlefields across the world. The officer cadets who've passed out from this academy have been awarded with 1 Victoria Cross, 1 George Cross, 1 George Medal, 70 Military Cross, 6 Param Veer Chakra, 17 Ashok Chakra, 2 Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal, 71 Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, 86 Mahavir Chakra, 82 Kirti Chakra, 257 Veer Chakra, and 351 Shaurya Chakra awards.
In the last more than 90 years, the Academy has grown from strength to strength. From 40 officer cadets in 1932, the Academy now trains approximately 1,200 officer cadets at any one time. The Academy has commissioned 65,628 officer cadets as officers, including 2,953 officer cadets from 36 friendly foreign countries. On the west side, onto your left of the drill square, you can see the flags of all the friendly foreign countries from where the officer cadets are currently undergoing training at the Indian Military Academy, which include Afghanistan, Angola, Bhutan, Botswana, Bangladesh, Fiji, Ghana, Iraq, Jamaica, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Lesotho, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritius, Myanmar, Nepal, Nigeria, Palestine, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Seychelles, Singapore, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Sierra Leone, Tajikistan, Tanzania, Tonga, Turkmenistan, Uganda, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Yemen, and the Gambia.
Now, a word about drill. Drill, as we know, is the bedrock of discipline and military life. To those of you who have an aesthetic disposition, drill movements will symbolize the very rhyme and rhythm of the poetry of a well ordered life. And that's precisely the primary aim of this institution to train our officer cadets in the art of cultivating a way of life in which the highest and the noblest attributes of character and courage and the four verticals of scholarly, soldierly, leadership, and gentlemanly training are not only blended but also nurtured and nourished.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Academy Adjutant is assisted by the Assistant Adjutant and the Subedar Major Drill, along with the finest drill instructors of all arms of the Indian Army for exemplary drill discipline, conduct, and turnout during the training and the passing out parade. Subedar Major Narendra Ram. High altitude at North Sikkim in a bunker battalion. He has excelled in all his professional courses, including Army Drill Course, Ghatak Course, Platoon Commander Course, and the Potential Subedar Major Course. Prior to his present appointment, he had had one instructional tenure at National Defence Academy, Kadakwasla, Pune. He assumed the appointment of Subedar Major Drill at Indian Military Academy on 4th August 2023.
An alumnus of the National Defense Academy, Kadakwasla, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Major Parth Mangesh Rao was commissioned into the 19th Battalion of the Garhwal Rifles on 10th June 2017. The officer has been a company commander in the high altitudes of Karen sector and has operational experiences both in the mountainous terrains of Jammu and Kashmir and also the scorching deserts of Rajasthan. The officer has excelled in all the professional courses of instruction and has been adjudged as instructor of all the weapons of an infantry battalion. A keen horse rider and an avid football and basketball player. As an officer cadet too, he was a part of the academy basketball team. Major Parth Mangesh Rao took over the appointment of Assistant Adjutant Indian Military Academy on 18th June 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just heard was the sound of the markers call being given. This is the signal for the right markers, that is, the company sergeant majors to come and take their positions on the inspection line. The Halo Drill Square that we see before us is not a mere parade ground. It has a sanctity of its own, which is maintained at all times. Passing the square in the form of a stringent test is one of the most important events in the life of an officer cadet. The young men joining the Indian Military Academy come from the National Defense Academy, Kadakwasla, the Army Cadet College Wing, and various universities across the country. The officer cadets will pass out full of zest and zeal with a prayer in their hearts. Help me, O God, when death is near, to mock the haggard face of fear, that when I fall, if fall I must, my soul in the dust.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपके सामने निरीक्षण लाइन पर मार्च करते हुए ऑफिसर कैडेट्स विभिन्न कंपनियों के कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर हैं। अपनी कंपनियों के राइट मार्कर भी हैं। कंपनियों को अनुशासित ढंग से चलाने और कंपनी में घटने वाली हर घटना की जिम्मेदारी कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर की होती है। आपके सामने बाएं से दाहिने राइट मार्कर इस प्रकार से है। कंपनी सार्जेंट प्रियांशु फौज, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर केशव, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर सुजीत कुमार शॉ, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर अभिनव शर्मा, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर अभिषेक गुसाई, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर एमवी मानेश। देवी और सज्जनों, भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी एक ऐसा प्रतिष्ठित संस्थान है जहां न केवल भारत बल्कि विश्व के अनेक देशों के युवक राष्ट्रीय रक्षा अकादमी खड़कवासला व आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज विंग के कैडेट्स सैन्य प्रशिक्षण हेतु प्रवेश करते हैं। देश की रक्षा, उसका सम्मान इनके लिए सर्वोपरि होता है। हर कदम पर एक नए आयाम को छूने का सपना एक ऑफिसर कैडेट कड़ी मेहनत और लगन के पश्चात प्राप्त करता है। उसकी कार्य कुशलता पर राष्ट्र का सम्मान निर्भर करता है। यह चेहरे पर झलकता तेज, आंखों में भरा आत्मविश्वास और सामने युद्ध कौशल की धार देने वाले अपनी मातृ संस्था के प्रशिक्षकों के गर्व से उठे ये सिर हर एक ऑफिसर कैडेट के मन में कर्तव्य निष्ठा का भाव उजागर करता है।
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the advance call. This is the signal for the parade, which at this moment is standing behind the Chetwood building to start marching and come on the inspection line.
देवी और सज्जनों, जो चैटवुड भवन आप अपने सामने देख रहे हैं, इसी भवन में भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का आदर्श स्वर्णिम अक्षरों में अंकित है। इसे सेना ने भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी की स्थापना के साथ 1 अक्टूबर 1932 को ग्रहण किया था। भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का विधि पूर्वक उद्घाटन 10 दिसंबर 1932 को भारत के तत्कालीन कमांडर इन चीफ फील्ड मार्शल लॉर्ड फिलिप चैटवुड ने किया था। इस भवन का नाम इन्हीं के नाम पर चैटवुड भवन रखा गया है। में समाये हुए हैं। बैंड की धुन पर यूं चले आ रहे हैं मानो एक विराट सागर ही उमड़ आया हो। इनके बाजुओं में है शक्ति, इनके शरीर में है फौलाद। देश के लिए जान देने वालों का ये उत्सव अपने आप में अनूठा है। आगे बढ़ते ये कदम इस संकल्प को दोहरा रहे हैं कि भारत माता की शान में ये जान हमेशा हाजिर है। इनके कदमों की गर्जना ललकार रही है, हे भारत के वीर जगो, मैं तुम्हें जगाने आया हूं। 100 धर्मों का धर्म एक बलिदान बताने आया हूं। खड़ी शत्रु की फौज द्वार पर आज तुम्हें ललकार रही। उठो सिंह जगो भारत के, माता तुम्हें पुकार रही। मैं घर घर में इनकलाब की आग लगाने आया हूं। हे भारत के वीर जगो, मैं तुम्हें जगाने आया हूं। हे भारत के वीर जगो, मैं तुम्हें जगाने आया हूं।
The parade, which is now marching on the inspection line, is led by Academy Cadet Adjutant Mohit Kapri. Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you, across the parade ground, 2 officer cadets are marching in from the central entrance of the Chetwood building. They are Flag Corporal Sanuj Kumar and Flag Corporal Yash Chaube. They are escorting Major Path Mangesh Roth, the Assistant Adjutant, Subedar Major Narendra Ram, Subedar Major Drill, and the Parade Commander, Academy Under Officer Praveen Singh. The escorts have traditionally been of the rank of corporals, selected from amongst the officer cadets of the second term.
Nishan! Bradford!
देवी और सज्जनों, भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का निशान अब परेड पर लाया जा रहा है। जब परेड निशान को सलामी दे तो कृपया स्थिर अवस्था में खड़े हो जाएं और निशान को समुचित सम्मान दे एवं वर्दीधारी सलूट करें।
Front! Nishan ko salami tagat! Salamat! Just! Front! Foot job! Just! Front! Worship!
देवी और सज्जनों, अब परेड 3 वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों का स्वागत करेगी और उन्हें सलामी देगी। परेड पर आने वाले पहले अधिकारी हैं भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी के उप समादेशक एवं मुख्य प्रशिक्षक मेजर जनरल आलोक नरेश।
Major General Alok Naresh is an alumnus of the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and was commissioned into 27th Battalion of the Punjab Regiment in June 1988. The general officer, during his illustrious military career, has undergone all mandatory courses of instruction with distinction. A graduate of Defense Services Staff College, Wellington, Senior Command Course at Army War College, Mau, and Higher Air Command Course at College of Air Warfare, Secunderabad. He attended Intelligence Fellows Program at United States Pacific Command, Hawaii, and also attended Advanced Professional Program in Public Administration at Indian Institute of Public Administration, New Delhi. In his 36 years of distinguished military career, he has a varied and rich operational experience wherein he served across a wide spectrum of conflicts and has held numerous important command, instructional, and staff appointments. His command assignments include command of an infantry battalion in high altitude area in the eastern sector, including operations in northeast, command of a Rashtriya Rifles sector in active counter-insurgency environment in the Kashmir Valley, and Inspector General Assam Rifles in Northeast. Having tenated numerous important and sensitive appointments, he has served as Colonel General Staff of the Indian Military Academy, Colonel Quartermaster at Headquarters 16 Infantry Division, Colonel Administration at Headquarters Delhi area, and Directing Staff Higher Command Wing at Army War College, Mau. He has also tenated the appointment of Deputy Assistant Chief of Integrated Defense Staff West at Headquarters Integrated Defense Staff Counter-Terrorism Division, New Delhi, and Major General General Staff Approval and Plans, Headquarters Army Training Command at New Delhi. The General Officer assumed the appointment of Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Indian Military Academy on 1st February 2024.
देवी और सज्जनों, उप समादेशक महोदय कुछ ही क्षणों में आपके बाएं ओर से परेड मैदान की ओर आ रहे हैं। वे परेड मैदान मंच के पीछे निर्मित द्रोण द्वार से प्रवेश करेंगे। ऐसा माना जाता है कि आचार्य द्रोण ने इसी क्षेत्र में कौरवों और पांडवों को युद्ध की शिक्षा दी थी। अतः परेड मैदान के इस द्वार को यह नाम शस्त्रों के महान ज्ञाता एवं प्रख्यात सेनापति आचार्य द्रोण के नाम पर दिया गया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor will be arriving towards the parade ground from your left in a few moments.
Front! Start!
Ladies and gentlemen, Major General Alok Naresh, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Indian Military Academy.
Front! Signal slot! Slumber! Just! Front! Bunch up! Just! Front! Rush up!
देवी और सज्जनों, परेड पर आने वाले अगले अधिकारी हैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल संदीप जैन, समादेशक भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी।
Lieutenant General Sandeep Jain was commissioned into the 13th Battalion of the Mahar Regiment in June 1988. He is an alumnus of the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, a graduate of the Defense Services Staff College, Wellington. He has attended the Higher Command course at the Army War College, Mau, as well as the prestigious National Defense College at Kenya. In an illustrious career spanning over a period of more than 36 years, the General Officer has donated important command assignments in varied sensitive operational sectors. He has commanded his battalion in Plain Sector and United Nations mission in Sudan, an infantry brigade in Plain Sector, General Officer commanding Counter-Insurgency Force, and General Officer commanding 16 Corps. His staff experience, both in operational and administrative domain, includes appointments in Military Operations Directorate, Military Secretaries Branch, Military Observer in Ethiopia, Colonel General Staff of an Infantry Division in Strike Corps, and Brigadier Quartermaster of a Pivot Corps in the Valley. As Additional Director General and Director General, Capability Development Directorate, the General Officer has been instrumental in formalizing Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 and executing emergency procurement schemes during Operation Snow Leopard. For his exemplary leadership and devotion to duty towards the nation, the General Officer has been decorated with Sena Medal and Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card. The General Officer assumed the appointment of Commandant, Indian Military Academy on 1st February 2024.
देवी और सज्जनों, समादेशक महोदय आपके बाएं ओर से परेड मैदान की ओर आ रहे हैं। आपके बाएं ओर का यह मार्ग शौर्य मार्ग कहलाता है। अकादमी का फैलाव आपके ठीक पीछे चक्राता मार्ग के दोनों ओर है। चक्राता मार्ग के दक्षिणी छोर का परिसर साउथ कैंपस तथा चैटवुड भवन वाला यह परिसर नॉर्थ कैंपस कहलाता है। साउथ कैंपस में करियप्पा, थिमैया, मानेकशॉ और भगत बटालियन है तथा नॉर्थ कैंपस में आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज विंग स्थित है, जो कि भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का एक अभिन्न अंग है।
Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Sandeep Jain, Commandant, Indian Military Academy.
Front! General salute! Slumber! Just! Front! Bunch up! Just! Front! March up!
देवी और सज्जनों, परेड अब आज के निरीक्षण अधिकारी महोदय का स्वागत करेगी। आज के निरीक्षण अधिकारी हैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल एमवी सुचिंद्र कुमार, परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, युद्ध सेवा मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Nadan Command.
Lieutenant General M.V. Suchendra Kumar passed out of the Indian Military Academy on 8th June 1985 and was commissioned into 1st Battalion, the Assam Regiment. He has the distinction of being the first commanding officer of 59 Rashtriya Rifles Battalion, Assam, and went on to command an infantry brigade, an infantry division on the line of control, and also the highly active White Knight Corps. He has held the appointments of Director General Military Intelligence and Deputy Chief of Army Staff Strategy at Integrated Headquarters of Ministry of Defense Army. The General Officer had the privilege of assuming the mantle of the Colonel of the Regiment of Assam Regiment and Arunachal Scouts on 1st March 2021. The General Officer has held various staff and instructional appointments in Infantry School Mau and United Nations Sector Senior Operations Officer in Cambodia, Indian Army Training Team, Lesotho, Military Secretary's Branch, and Brigadier General Staff in the Eastern Theatre. The General Officer has attended Defense Services Staff College, Wellington, Higher Command Course, Mau, and the National Defense College, New Delhi. He has also attended courses on Cooperative Society in South Asia, in Sri Lanka, and United Nations Senior Mission Leaders Course in Egypt. His military papers have been published in a number of professional journals. Lieutenant General M.V. Suchendra Kumar assumed the appointment of General Officer Commanding in Chief Northern Command on 19th February 2024. Prior to this, the General Officer donated the appointment of Vice Chief of Army Staff from 1st March 2023 to 18th February 2024. The General Officer is a fitness enthusiast and has been a regular participant in various half marathons and long distance runs in Delhi and practices yoga regularly. The four-horned Patiala coach, a legacy of the state of Patiala gifted to the Indian Military Academy by the then Maharaja of Patiala, Maharaja Bhupender Singh, is used by the reviewing officers of the passing out parade and visiting dignitaries to the academy. The Patiala coach is a work of art, and very soon you shall witness the reviewing officer arriving through the Shaurya mark to your left.
देवी और सज्जनों, निरीक्षण अधिकारी शौर्य मार्ग से होते हुए परेड मैदान की ओर आ रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, you will soon hear the fanfare heralding the arrival of today's reviewing officer. Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General M.V. Suchendra Kumar, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Northern Command, the reviewing officer for today's parade.
Front! Sandal slot! Salamba! Just! Front! Bunch up! Just!
देवी और सज्जनों, अब निरीक्षण अधिकारी परेड का निरीक्षण करने जा रहे हैं। उनके साथ हैं भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी के समादेशक और आज के परेड कमांडर।
Ladies and gentlemen, just above the entrance of the historic Chetwood building, you can see the crest of the Indian Military Academy. The crest is comprised of the crossed swords of the profession of arms with a flaming torch symbolizing knowledge, superimposed in the middle by the Dharma Chakra of Ashok. The scroll bears the inscription Veerta or Vivek, meaning valor and wisdom. The colors of the academy are steel gray and blood red. The steel gray denotes strength and resilience, whereas blood red signifies the ultimate sacrifice in devotion to duty. Ladies and gentlemen, there are three military bands on parade today. They are the Indian Military Academy Band, Army Air Defense Regimental Center Band, and the Sikh Light Infantry Regimental Center Band. They are being conducted by Havaldar Vikram Singh of the Indian Military Academy Band. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the adjutant, Lieutenant Colonel Gajendra Singh Sidhu, on his grey charger, Zorawar. The Academy adjutant astride his charger is a symbol of authority and discipline. An alumnus of Sainik School Kunjpura and National Defence Academy Khadakwasla, Lieutenant Colonel Gajendra Singh Sidhu was commissioned into 22nd Battalion of the Rajput Regiment on 13th June 2009. The officer has been an instructor at the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He has also served on a United Nations peacekeeping mission in Democratic Republic of the Congo. The officer has an operational experience of counter-insurgency operations along the line of control and counter-terrorist operations as part of Rashtriya Rifles in Jammu and Kashmir. A graduate of Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, Lieutenant Colonel Gajendra Singh Sidhu assumed the appointment of adjutant on 17th June 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander is now marching back to take his position in order to lead the parade. The exemplary drill movements, immaculate bearing, and a roaring command give us a glimpse of a leader in making.
Front! Southern! Front! Picket line! Chal! Front! निकट कॉलम मत! तेज चाल से मन से गुजरेगा! अपॉइंटमेंट कंडीशन आगे! फ्रंट! दाहिने चलेगा! दाहिने मत! Front! Boys up! Teज चल!
देवी और सज्जनों, भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का पहला निशान द किंग कलर 18 नवंबर 1934 को प्रदान किया गया था। देश की आजादी के पश्चात 10 दिसंबर 1965 को भारत के तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन ने अकादमी को निशान प्रदान किया। अकादमी का नया निशान 15 दिसंबर 1976 को भारत के तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति श्री फखरुद्दीन अली अहमद द्वारा प्रदान किया गया था। इसी दिन पुराने निशान को ऐतिहासिक चैटवुड भवन में यादगार चिन्ह का स्थान मिला। परेड इस समय विजय भारत की धुन पर मार्च कर रही है। नौजवानों का ये जोश, उनका उत्साह, एक साथ उठते ये हाथ, एक साथ बढ़ते ये कदम प्रमाणित करते हैं इस बात को कि देश सुरक्षित है इन हाथों में। ये कदम इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। तिरंगे का सर सदा ऊंचा रहेगा। इनके कदमों की आवाज हमें बता रही है कि आखिरी गोली, आखिरी सांस तक लड़ते रहेंगे ये वीर।
The number of our alumni who've been decorated in war is legion. Most of them have had their baptism in fire in the wars since independence. Some where blizzards and snowstorms rule. Some where the wind blows full of sand. Some where the waves hold argument with the sky. And some in the uncharted space above. But like professional soldiers, they were conscious of the hazards of the profession they had chosen and were aware of the contribution they were making to safeguard the sovereignty of our nation.
देवी और सज्जनों, जब भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का निशान आपके सामने से गुजरे तो कृपया खड़े होकर निशान को सम्मान दें एवं वर्दीधारी सलूट करें।
The first officer cadet leading the parade is Academy Under Officer Praveen Singh. He is followed by a contingent of battalion appointments led by Battalion Under Officer Ajit Sharma. Behind them is the first contingent, the champion company of the previous term, proudly led by Senior Under Officer Param Sabharwal. The second contingent is led by Senior Under Officer Puri Vamse Krishna. The third contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Surinder Singh Bhandari. The Nishan Toli, proudly carrying the Indian Military Academy colours, is led by Senior Under Officer Mukesh Beniwal, and the escorts are Sergeant Lokesh and Sergeant Abhishek Lamba. The fourth contingent is led by Senior Under Officer Harshvardhan Singh Parihar. The fifth contingent is led by Senior Under Officer Shubham Mayank Singh. The sixth contingent is led by Senior Under Officer Vinay. Leading the last contingent is Battalion Under Officer Omid Joshi. Bringing up the rear of the parade is the Academy Cadet Adjutant Mohit Kapri, marching all by himself. At the end, mounted on his charger, is the adjutant of the Indian Military Academy, Lieutenant Colonel Gajendra Singh Sidhu.
कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलते इन वीरों का आज यही उद्घोष है। बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों से हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is now marching on the inspiring tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha, formerly known as Tarana-e-Hind, the anthem of the people of Hindustan. In all nations and at all times, martial music has accompanied feats of arms, serving the twofold purpose of inspiring the troops to fight and as a method of conveying orders. It was used in times of battle as means of invoking that grand passion which the fieriest of oration could not.
देवी और सज्जनों, देश के बाहर हो या भीतर, युद्ध काल हो या शांति काल, सशस्त्र सेना का काम निरंतर जारी रहता है और उसकी महत्ता कभी कम नहीं होती। सशस्त्र सेना ही आज देश की सबसे गौरवशाली संस्था है। भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी निर्माण करती है देश के इन भावी कर्णधारों का, जो न केवल दुश्मनों से जूझते हैं, परंतु देश के सम्मुख आई किसी भी परिस्थिति का सामना करते हैं। सच ही कहा गया है, हिम्मत वालों का डर से कोई वास्ता नहीं होता। हम कदम वहां रखते हैं जहां कोई रास्ता नहीं होता। युद्ध के दौरान यही नौजवान अपने साथ साथ कई और सैनिकों की रक्षा का भी दायित्व संभालते हैं। फिर एक दिन इन्हीं की सांस बन जाती है देश की धड़कन, इनके कदम बन जाते हैं देश का विकास और इन्हीं का खून बन जाता है देश का रक्षक।
Right! Thumb!
Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the adjutant moving to take his position at the western end of the drill square. The adjutant is mounted on his great charger, Zorawar. The historic Chetwood building that you see in its entire splendor in front of you is named after Field Marshal Sir Philip Chetwood, who inaugurated the Indian Military Academy on 10th December 1932 and gave us on that day the abiding touchstone of leadership and soldiering, the Chetwood Credo. The safety, honor, and welfare of your country come first, always and every time. The honor, welfare, and comfort of the men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort, and safety come last, always and every time.
Right! आगे बढ़ेगा! बात! मत!
to salute the passing out course as a mark of honor and respect to their seniors.
फ्रंट अंदर को चलेगा धन्यवाद मत फ्रंट धन्यवाद साथ के चल फ्रंट दो बात बारी बारी साथ धीरे चाल साथ अंतिम पक्ष से गुजरेगा फ्रंट दाहिने बाएं को दाहिने बाएं साथ धीरे चल
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब ये ऑफिसर कैडेट्स भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी से विधि पूर्वक विदा ले रहे हैं। धीमी गति से मार्च करते ये वीर चैटफुट भवन में प्रवेश से पहले अंतिम पग को पार करेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, very shortly, 3 Cheetah helicopters from the 23 Independent Reconnaissance and Observation Flight will fly past the saluting dais to honor the success of the passing out course as the passing out officer cadets approach the Antim Pag. The elite formation is being led by Lieutenant Colonel B.N. Tripathi, followed by Lieutenant Colonel Sujoy Ghorpade, Sena Medal, and Major Achyut Naik. We, along with them, wish the officer cadets of the passing out course good fortune and glorious years of service to the nation in keeping with the highest traditions of the Academy and the Indian Army. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? These lines are a fitting tribute to the days gone by of a lifelong friendship and bond between the officer cadets, fostered here at the Indian Military Academy, and has never failed to bring back fond memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes.
सच है, विपत्ति जब आती है कायर को ही दहलाती है। सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज खोते। विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं, कांटों में राह बनाते हैं। शूलों को मूल नसाते हैं, बढ़ खुद विपत्ति पर छाते हैं। आज ये नौजवान इसी दृढ़ निश्चय और इन्हीं फौलादी इरादों के साथ जीवन के अगले पड़ाव की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं।
आज का दिन सचमुच गौरवपूर्ण है। इन युवा अफसरों के साथ इनके अभिभावकों और प्रशिक्षकों के लिए भी। आज दुनिया की आंख लगी है इन वीरों पर, इनके सामर्थ्य और कार्य कुशलता पर। अकादमी ने अवसर दिया है इन नौजवानों को कुछ कर दिखाने का, देश के लिए मर मिटने का, नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करने का। ये अवसर है प्रतिज्ञाएं करने का, कुछ अपने देश से, कुछ अपने माता पिता से, कुछ अपने साथियों से और कुछ अपने आप से। मन समर्पित, तन समर्पित और यह जीवन समर्पित। चाहता हूं देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और भी दूं।
Antim Pug, or the last step, is imprinted on the 3 main entrances of the Jetfoot building from the drill square. This is a symbolic step which the officer cadets take to pass into the portals of the Chetwood Hall as officers. This is a moment no officer commissioned from the Indian Military Academy is likely to forget. It remains with him as a treasured moment not only throughout his career but also his entire life.
निष्ठा धैर्यं पराक्रमो दृढं सत्यशौर्य च पौरुषं सहायं तेजोबुद्धिश्च विविधान्यनेकानि युक्तिरिविकासन्तु विजेतु कृमे. Firmness, courage, valor, and steadfastness, truth, bravery, and assistance to others, radiance, intellect, and strategy. May they develop progressively to conquer all challenges. As the apostle of discipline, the presence of the adjutant for the passing out parade is in accordance with the customs and traditions of the academy. As per the records, the adjutant of the Indian Military Academy appeared on horseback for the first time in 1921. Ever since, the adjutants have very rarely walked on the drill square. They've appeared on the traditional grey chargers almost every time they are required on parade. Ladies and gentlemen, the adjutant of the Indian Military Academy will now give a salute to the reviewing officer, bringing a formal end to the passing out parade. In a short while from now, 3 helicopters will fly past the saluting dais, displaying the national, the army, and the Indian Military Academy flags.
Ladies and gentlemen, the band is now leaving the parade ground on the tunes of Ye Bharat Desh Hai Mera.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are requested to remain seated till the reviewing officer leaves the parade ground.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपसे निवेदन है कि निरीक्षण अधिकारी के चैटवुड भवन में प्रवेश करने तक आप कृपया बैठे रहें.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're requested to proceed to the lawns of the Nizam Pavilion for the pipping ceremony. You're also requested not to enter the parade ground.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपसे निवेदन है कि आप सभी पिपिंग समारोह हेतु निजाम पवेलियन की ओर प्रस्थान करें. आपसे यह भी निवेदन है कि आप परेड मैदान में प्रवेश न करें.
You're requested to follow the ushers who will guide you to the Nizam Pavilion using the road onto your left, that is the Shaurya Marg.
आपसे निवेदन है कि आप सभी अशरर्स के साथ चले, जो आपको आपके ठीक बाई ओर स्थित शौर्य मार्ग से होते हुए पिपिंग समारोह की ओर ले जाएंगे।
This is the commentary team signing off. Myself, Lieutenant Colonel Geeta Mishra, along with Officer Cadet Harsh Suteri, Officer Cadet Keshav Uthada, and Officer Cadet Bhunesh Dagar. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. धन्यवाद देवियों और सज्जनों। जय हिंद।